Ever wondered how significant numbers are in our lives? They're as ubiquitous as the air we breathe. From the moment we open our eyes in the morning to the second we close them at night, numbers are there. They help us quantify our waking hours, measure our achievements, and even keep track of our heartbeats. They're in the recipes we cook, the music we listen to, and the stories we tell. In essence, numbers are the universal language that helps us make sense of the world. But numbers are more than just tools for measurement. They're the architects of our technologies, the pulse of our economies, and the language of our societies. From the ancient Egyptians' use of geometry to build the pyramids, to Galileo's astronomical calculations that unveiled the cosmos, numbers have been our loyal companions in decoding the mysteries of the universe. They've acted as keys, unlocking doors to knowledge that have shaped our understanding and progress. Indeed, numbers wield a power that influences every aspect of our existence. Yet, numbers also harbor profound mysteries. They are enigmatic entities, filled with unsolved riddles that baffle even the brightest minds. Consider the endless digits of pi, a number that never repeats nor terminates. Or the prime numbers, those solitary figures that cannot be divided. They seem to pop up in the most unexpected places, defying our understanding. These puzzling features of numbers continue to confound and inspire, driving mathematicians to delve deeper into their secrets. Thus, numbers not only provide answers, but also pose intriguing questions that keep us searching for more. And in this quest, we often stumble upon the inherent beauty of numbers, the symmetry they reflect, the intricate patterns they weave, and the elegant equations they form. This beauty isn't confined to paper and screens. It's mirrored in the swirl of a galaxy, the spirals of a seashell, and the patterns in a sunflower. It's etched in our art, our architecture, and even our music. So whether we realize it or not, numbers play an integral role in our lives, shaping our understanding, driving our progress, and captivating our imagination.